Karura Forest, famous for the late Wangari Maathai. This place is the habitat of trees, the best forest we have in Nairobi. Enormous trees can be seen here. The canopy, smooth. The river down there, oh my, fascinating. And the caves, my friend, is just 100 bob, but it's worth it. MakauTravels, we are here to bring you the exclusive view of nature and what Karura Forest has to offer to you. Keep it locked.
MakauTravels! Nice.
We started off with reading a brief history.
At the Karura Forest showed that they were visited
Periodically, over a very long span of time, different groups of people,
including
hunter-gatherers, hizi ni meno za animals.
And we began our nature walk. One positive thing about this park is that there is a map which shows all the ways which are labeled with beacons. So if you follow the beacons, it would be rare for you to get lost. Well, for our team, no one had the map, so we were just wandering here, there, left, right, following beacons anyhowly, not knowing which was the right way. And it was just a matter of time before we were lost. We just kept walking.
This is an engineer walking. This is an engineer.
Hey guys,
This is a gang. Don't cut. Last.
Haha, and running too. So what's up guys, now we are headed to the falls. The team is already there. Mebaki kidogo to record the video with my guy Mr. Gideon here.
Yes, I'm right here.
Yeah, and the waterfall here, though the sound is not as glamorous as the one in the previous episode of the top fall, but this is natural fall. Indeed, a walk without music makes Jack a dull guy. Haha. And now we proceeded to the caves. And the young souls were excited about learning more about the history of this place. Why are you not afraid of lions and animal attacks?
sir, as I was telling you, lions were the pets.
Lions are okay.
Yeah, so no, here.
What is that?
Walikuwa napikia hapa.
Okay.
You can see the smoke here.
Yeah.
It's smoky.
Okay. And the bedroom?
Now this is the bedroom, eh?
For the man.
For the man, the beautiful wife.
Okay.
Of Kikuyu and Mumbi.
Okay.
No, they.
No, you're the one
Black
there.
Indian.
Yeah.
And here, Mama Odiek.
And we finished the walk from gate A to gate C. Tired. That was approximately 7 kilometers. We walked, we climbed, we went down, gorges, trees, rocks, name it. But Karura Forest remains to be one of the best places to visit for a nature walk when you are in Nairobi. Here we have the escarpments of Karura Forest. And Mr. Mutugi always experimenting. Kama was here. Really cool.
Forest.
Amazing, amazing. The scenery here.
Beauty of nature. Okay guys, that was MakauTravels.